Okay, this message is for my members. I had to show you this because I didn't even know that this was possible right now. Okay, you know how much I use Lovable to make websites and landing pages, products, lead magnets, all kinds of things by just typing into it like this, okay? So I teach it. I have an entire revenue challenge replay in the 360 pass. I have a whole Lovable OS system. But the way that it's getting better and better and better every single week is just mind blowing. So I'm going to show you something that's going to help a lot of people, and it's a small thing that means a big deal. So what I'm going to do is, let's say I'm going to say create a landing page for my 360 pass. Um, at Suite of AI Tools and Weekly Coaching. Now, obviously, I'm not telling it much. It's not taking from what it already knows about me, I don't think. And I didn't tell it to how to design it. I'm just doing this to show you something. Okay, so it's going to do that. And while it's doing that, let's see what I can do here. So while it's doing that, over here, over on the right side is getting ready, but you can still mess with it. So you can go here, click on the name of it, go into settings, for instance, if you have a paid account, and I could hide the Lovable badge already, right? I can also go right here and just change the project name, the internal project name if I wanted to. Great. I can go back, and another thing I can do, so it says I'm going to build it for you. Another thing I can do is go over here to the right, top right hand corner where this blue button is to publish your project. I'm going to push that. And right now you have two main options you've had for a long time. One is you make it some sort of 360 pass at, right? I don't know if you can start it with a number, but you can do a words dot lovable dot app. And that's cool. That's what most of mine are. You might not even have noticed it because it doesn't really matter at the end of the day as long as people can get to the page. Another way you could do it though is add a custom domain, which is like 360pass.com or dot whatever, right? And the way it worked before, that I just discovered the new way, but the way it worked before was you would click on that, it would take you to a third party. In the third party, which was really simple to use, you'd find and buy your domain. Then you go to your email and you would confirm it. You would wait a while and then it would be like all linked in. So it was really cool. But look at this, y'all. I'm gonna press add custom domain. It's not published yet. Your name will not be live. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and publish it. But forget about publishing it. I want to buy a new domain or I can connect an existing one. I don't want to connect an existing one. I want to buy one. Okay, it says what domain? 360 pass. Let's see if it has that as an option. Okay, it doesn't. So I'll say Arlan's 360 pass. I bet it does, right? Now it's going to search for it. It found it for $11 a year. I'm going to press that button. I'm going to say I want it for 2 years. It says auto renew. I say yes. It says it's missing information. I'm going to go in here, put my information in. I'll go ahead and do it without you seeing it because I'm going to show you how fast this works. So put in my first name, my last name, my billing address, my city. I'm not showing you on purpose on the screen. I'll bring it back in a second. I'll put in my state, company name. I'm not even going to put in. I put my email in, and I put my phone number that it asked for. So I put my phone number. Okay. And then I'm going to push save. So now I'm going to bring it back to the screen. It's ready to go. I'm going to press confirm purchase. I'm going to pay $27.54 for 2 years of this hosting. Go here, take you to Stripe. It gave me a number to do because I do want this. I am going to work on this. It gave me a number. Okay. And it says this number. I'll put that in. Put my address in again. I'm going to pay. It's processing it. Pay, pay, pay. Processing, processing. Okay, you registered your domain, arlans360pass.com. It says this takes a minute. Give it a second to do its thing. Boom, boom, boom. Now let me tell you, it's done. Your domain has been registered. It should be fully active within 30 minutes, but can take up to a day. Done. And now it's configuring. I'm gonna go back over here, and in the meantime, it's been making my page. I mean, it's just too cool. It's just too cool. So it's been making my page. Let me refresh it. Give it a second to fresh to land. Might have to press return. Hard press. In the meantime, I'll show you this again. Okay. Right now it says it has this one, old one, that I could change if I wanted to. It doesn't cost me any money extra to just have it hosted on Lovable. Or I could do this manage and it's still configuring and it'll take a few minutes and it'll be good. Now, I don't know why this is not doing this. Let me try this one more time. But the point of it is, are we not, is our mind not blown about how fast and easy it was to set up a custom domain? Lovable has seen that so many of its users go somewhere else to get a domain, so it turned itself into a domain seller. And not only that, but it made it super, super, super simple to get your own domain. Now you see that's what it looks like. Still not sure why it's not showing it to me. I'm gonna publish it. I'll publish it now. And I can do all of this. I'll come back to that. And then I'll publish it. I'll come back and show you in just a second what it looks like. But isn't that crazy? So when we talk about using my AI Genie that is free for you to use, this is Prompt Shop in the Box people. This is Your First 5K people. This is Arlan's All Access Inner Circle people who are building websites for other people. Like we just heard from Ray Robinson, how he sold one for 300, and then he sold one for 500, right back to back. Now the question always is, well, how do I transfer it to them or how do I do XYZ? Do I have to host it myself? You don't have to, but you could, right? So let's say you're paying $20, $30 a month to Lovable total. You have several clients whose websites you built in Lovable, and now you just host, you ask them, what website do you want? Let me see if I can get that for you. And you make that website for them, give them that website, and if they need changes, you make those changes, and maybe you charge them for per change. Maybe you give them up to a certain number of free changes throughout the year. Maybe you have a monthly maintenance. Maybe it's all included because there's really no sweat to you, but you want to have some guardrails so they don't overuse it. It's just so, so, so simple. And yes, you can transfer it to them. You can get it out of your system. There are instructions on the AI Genie of how to do that. And the AI Genie is in the classroom in the AI for business section. So let me see if I really hate that the demo's not working right now for the actual page itself, but we did, oh look, 360, look, the 360 pass is available. So we're going to be able to see it. It's all, I can't with y'all. How many minutes was this? Was this 7 minutes? Was this 5 minutes? From the time I click the words in, type the words in, to I have a full website in URL for $27 on top of the $20 or whatever you might spend for the access to Lovable. I'm done. I can't. Anybody anybody who is not convinced at this point, I don't know what to tell you. Wow. Make sure if you're seeing this on April 3rd, Friday, April 3rd, before 9 p.m. Pacific, make sure you go into 360, get your 360. If you're seeing this after that, if I put it up on YouTube for some reason, anything like that, go ahead and go get your 360 so you can get your Lovable OS, the system behind Lovable. You have so much power in your hands right now. I can't even.